yeah. Bitch, I'm from Baltimore, you say you was, I never see you. What part you on? I got some family on the Alameda. I love my city, that's about me, and I bet they know me. My name good in any hood, I hung around Tivoli. I got a bitch that live on Appleton, she love them killers. When I re-up, I hit my partner, them a Garden Village. My uncle Jimmy round the corner on the avenue. We baller block, and that's the type of shit I never do. I'm from the east side, you know what kind of shit I'm on. But I be everywhere, I sold drugs and wood alone. I know some niggas down the hill that got it for the low. I live in Bird City, nigga, you already know. And I don't go nowhere unless a nigga strapped up. And if you fuck a Morgan, bitch, you better strap up. Talking shit to get you and your niggas clapped up. We with the shit, you pussy niggas better not act up. My nigga Pistol P was born and raised on Biddle Street. My nigga died, he ain't make it this year 23. I got a bitch that work up numbers and that pussy wet. And every day she catchin' has to get the Lafayette. She said she strippin' tryna get the fuck about the jets. But they ain't none my business, I'm just tryna get the net. A lot of rappers in my city have these niggas whack. And I ain't never been the bitch, I'm keepin' shit a stat. Hey, someone go and tell the DJ they should bring this back. I've been a G since KD Discos at the Hammer Jacks. I swear to God, I could never love a dumb hoe. She live on Monroe, but swear she murdered Monroe. See, all my niggas never love them, we be sharing those. Cause all these Instagram famous bitches sharing clothes. My mama told me, boy, stop chasing that stank hoe. Cause all these bitches ever wanted was your bankroll. Someone go and tell the DJ they should bring this back. Someone go and tell the DJ they should bring this back. I love my city, that's about me, and I bet they know me. I love my city, that's about me, and I bet they know me. I love my city, that's about me, and I bet they know me. I love my city, that's about me, and I bet they know me. My mama told me, boy, stop chasing that stank hoe. Cause all these bitches ever wanted was your bankroll. Yeah, bankroll. You said you run the city, on my bet I ain't know. The trenches love me, so it ain't no way I can't go. We never lacking, and we love to let them things show. We let them things go. I'm talking Montebello to Glen.